So today I'm reviewing the Lasfit LED turn signals, and as you can tell from my previous videos, I have been looking for LED turn signal bulbs that outperform the stock incandescent ones. And back then when I shot that video, the white LED bulbs were always brighter than the amber LED bulbs, and they were never bright enough to be used during the day. And I am happy to say that I have finally found some LED turn signal bulbs in an amber color that are a lot brighter than stock during the day and at night. I would say it's brighter than most of the cars with factory LED turn signals. I would definitely recommend these bulbs if you are looking to update the look of your car and improve the functionality of your turn signals. So on the website, they have a disclaimer where it says that the bulbs may hyperflash if used for more than 8 minutes. I've been using these bulbs for over 2 months, and I have not experienced this issue, since I usually don't have my turn signals on for more than 8 minutes at a time. I've read online that some people have had issues with these bulbs failing prematurely, so I will be testing them to see if I run into those issues. And please let me know if you would like to have some follow-up videos. And thank you for watching.